girlies, and today I'm bringing you this amazing Guinness punch video. First, I'm going to start with my blender. You can use a hand mixer, you can use whatever you wish, or you could just dump this in a bowl and mix it around. And this is a little trick. You can tip your blender to the side to not have a lot of froth from it. And this here is a 14.9 ounce bottle. And then we're gonna add a cup of milk. Half teaspoon of cinnamon. One teaspoon of nutmeg. And a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Last but not least ingredient, we're going to add a cup of condensed milk. Here we go. Get it all in there. Your spatula. I'm gonna blend this together for like 30 seconds. And here I have my glass with some ice in it. All you have to do is pour. Look at this amazingness. You can garnish this with a little bit of cinnamon on top, because who does not love cinnamon? And that's it, guys. The recipe will be in the description box. Have a nice day. Simply amazing.